Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to the PassFab channel. How to remove the Excel file password. How to unprotect Excel sheet without password. If you have forgotten the password for your Excel file, don't worry. In this video, I will show you the way to remove the Excel file password. I will be using PassFab for Excel password removal. You can download it by clicking the link in the video description. Launch PassFab for Excel. Provides two functions of recover Excel open password or remove Excel restrict editing. You need to select recover Excel open password. Then click the add option. You need to select the locked Excel file and click open. There are three password recovery options to choose from below. The first option can be used for regular password configuration. The second option can be used for remembering partial password configuration. The third option can be used to completely forget the password configuration. Select the option that suits you and click the Start option. Wait for the Excel file password recovery to complete. Complex passwords will take longer, so please be patient. Okay, password recovery is complete. Click on the Copy option. Open the Excel file again. Right-click on the input box to paste the password and click OK. Then you need to select the File option in the top right corner. Click on the Info option. You need to select Protect Workbook. Then select the Protect with Password option. Remove the password and click OK. Click the Save option. OK, this completes the Excel file password removal. I hope my video can help you. If you don't mind, please give me a like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.